Hello, this is Victor from Parallels. Today I'll demonstrate to you the new Citrix migration tool that we're releasing in Parallels RAS version 16.5. The ideal use case that we have here, it is related to applications, app folders, zones, workers, and worker groups. But let's focus on how the tool works. So basically, what we have to keep in mind is the following. You install Parallels RAS in your farm in the same machine or in a dedicated machine for migration. We export Citrix settings via Citrix API. Then we install Parallels RAS Citrix migration tool. Then we will execute the scripts, and then you have all of the settings migrated to your environment. This whole process should take just a few minutes. So let's connect to my existing Citrix XenApp environment. As you can see here, I have different applications, departments, and groups. And the idea here is first to run a few scripts to export information from your environment to Parallels RAS. So first, we will add the Citrix XenApp Commands API. We will export applications, zones, servers, and worker groups. And let's execute the script via PowerShell. This will take a few moments to be processed. It's actually exported. So we can come here into my export folder, and we have all of the files here. What we have to do now is move these files to where Parallels Remote Application Server is running. And this is the Parallels Remote Application Server that I will be using for the migration. It is a clean install. There are no server components or even instructions in it yet. I will copy the export files I have from my Citrix environment into the same folder I installed Citrix migration tool. And I will, as soon as it's done, I will execute the migration script, step number 1, which is in the documentation as well. We'll run the second script, which is related to the migration. The server name will be the same machine that I am. In this case, can be localhost. As you can see, the migration is now completed, and we can see items were automatically added in terms of farms, publishing items, and other settings for the site and the groups. And with the migration completed, we are not in production yet. We can see the items are not yet in production. The virtual machines are not yet with the agents. So we have everything in stage. Once you decide to take over, you can just deploy the agents on these machines and then uninstall Citrix components. So by troubleshooting, checking agent, you can push the agents as you need. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have additional questions, please come to parallels.com.